pursuing advanced 2025 manufacturing ideals and keeping up with the times. From 1995 till the end of the last century to today's rapid development, BRD New Materials Company Limited remains true to our original aspiration and pioneering persistently. For over the past 25 years, our company has continued to expand, diversifying our products, ceaselessly pushing to improve our production based on technological innovations and new energy-saving building materials developments, establishing a new world level for environmentally friendly building materials. With an integrated state-of-the-art, fully equipped laboratory, headed by an elite research and development team, and advanced intelligent manufacturing facilities, enables and develops our global strategic setup. BRD provides various functional construction solutions, which encompasses 6 main categories. First and foremost, the polyurethane sandwich panel production line, a $50 million BRD investment. To develop the first fully automatic energy-saving PU panel production line in China, certified by Puma, Italy, and EVG, Austria. A 180-meter-long production line, which can be operated by just 7 people. With surface finishing accuracy of up to 0.01 centimeters, 17 varieties of sandwich panels, and 9 categories of stock colors. It can be used as roof panels, wall panels, cold room panels, etc. With monthly production and sales quantity exceeding 900,000 square meters. Next up is the wall cladding panel production line, a new exterior wall insulation and decoration building material, changing traditional craftsmanship with discrete technologies into the entire standardized and normative production with both heat preservation and decoration aesthetics. 19 kinds of decorations to choose from. Natural stone simulation up to 98%. Increases efficiency. Halves construction time. Reduces construction cost from 30 to 70%. 70% total energy savings. And 50 years of weather resistance. We also developed complementary products, such as steel truss deck, thermosetting or TPS polystyrene panels, clean room panels, multi-purpose coatings, automatic door systems, flexible clay tiles, and various other industry-leading products. Widely used construction materials in urban infrastructure, industrial plants, stadiums, commercial centers, municipal engineering, medical institutions, high and low-rise office buildings, precision manufacturing instruments, and other industries. A global leader of building materials. The top-selling brand in more than 80 countries around the world. BRD, foreseeing the global trends and building on intelligent manufacturing. BRD has presently established our overseas branch plants in Japan, Malaysia, and Australia. Committed to bringing high-quality products and services throughout the world. Long-term partnerships with many Fortune 500 companies. Has achieved the prestigious China National High-Tech Enterprise Award, the China National Top 10 Industrial Coating Brands Award, China Internationally Recognized Brands Award, Germany TUV Certification, Quality Chinese Supplier Award from the Common Market of East and South Africa, etc. With a focus on product quality and customer needs, BRD makes excellent products with ingenuity, with classic case presentation of trusted partnerships at home and abroad. A proud player in the energy-saving building materials industry. Work with ingenuity and focus on external wall. Beautify buildings and happy lives. BRD will walk with you hand in hand.